It's like everybody's seeing life different. The people never seem to make their own decisions. In the prison of our own thoughts, and there's always something missing. No wonder we all pissed off, disconnected from each other. Every human in their own world. You could tell by how they look at one another. Maybe times change with the economy, maybe technology, or the loss in equality. I ain't asking for apologies, I just wanna show you how we living from an outside view. What we lacking is in honesty, so the words will lose meaning like whatever we second is not true. We'll worry about tomorrow, but today is right now. And happiness is getting what we want right now. Cause most people only living through their mind, and they won't realize they alive till they died. Yeah, it don't matter what they say, no two people love the same. Only you can find your way. Yeah, yeah. This for the best times, this for the worst times, and you know life is what you make it. This for the last time, this for the next time, and you know time ain't never wasted. Yeah. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, oh. This is the best time, there might be a next time. Just be happy you're breathing. Yeah, yeah. We got a war with ourselves, and we always seem to take it out on everyone else. We complain about the hand we've been dealt. Like an eye in my shoes, you were never gonna know what I felt. Our guards up, never letting anyone help. When we really tryna figure what we did to ourselves. When you buy your happiness, you need something to sell. And the only way to get into heaven is through hell. This negativity's a recipe for enemies, and everything we thinking that we need ain't a necessity. Found a better me through a better you, but to understand peace, something man can't do. We need change in order to pull through. There's one right way, do what works for you, and do what you gotta do, cause you gotta do it. Put your hands up if you down with the movement. Yeah, it don't matter what they say, no two people look the same. Only you can find your way. Yeah, yeah. This for the best times, this for the worst times, and you know life is what you make it. This for the last time, this for the next time, and you know time ain't never wasted. Yeah. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, oh. This is the best time, there might be a next time. So just be happy you're breathing. Yeah. So just be happy you're breathing. This is the best time, there might be a next time. So just be happy you're breathing. Yeah. It seems like everybody talking, they can't make up their mind, cause they're trying to find the answers to life. Yeah. This for the best times, this for the worst times, and you know life is what you make it. This for the last time, this for the next time, and you know time ain't never wasted. This for the best times, this for the worst times, and you know life is what you make it. This for the last time, this for the next time, and you know time ain't never wasted. Yeah. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, oh. This is the last time, there might be a next time. Just be happy you're breathing. Yeah. So just be happy you're breathing. This is the best time, there might be a next time. So just be happy you're breathing. Yeah.
Take breaks, but I don't need them. I've got too much riding on my music. Stress to reach the ceiling. Working 12 to 8 until I'm great. That's the motto. I wasted time on women, but I stayed away from bottles. Spent half of my life chasing for love inside of models, but beauty on the outside can only lead to problems, yeah. God, I'm sorry, I've been caught up in myself. Haven't prayed in 2 months. Bible dusty on the shelf. I know that I need some help, but I tell myself I'm well. But I'm sick of being sick, and I'm tired of this health. I don't wanna live forever like I'm dying. Sometimes when I'm alone, I ask myself, why am I trying? This one's for the ones out there every night that's crying. This one's for the dreamers that had no one else behind them.
me and you're always there waiting for me just to pick up the call. And I'm hardly making time to ever calling you all. And your hands are always out, but I'm acting like I don't need it. I'm stubborn and hard-headed, God trust me, I do see it. It's just, my heart is broken, I've been looking for the cure. But the only love I really should be looking for is yours. So take all my pain, let me give you my trust. Cause if I don't have you now, then I'm nothing but lost. Look at the world we live in, tell me where does it stop? I'm trying to be something more than just serving tables and mops. Yeah, I sweep all these thoughts, I thought of you I was bitter. But you gotta break me down so you can build me up bigger. So I appreciate it more, all the blessings and the trials. I'm a man inside this world and your eyes up in your child. But if I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I don't make it out, tell me where to go. If I've been missing something, something.